For lunch, we're going to be doing a mixed green salad and mixing our smoo into our ranch dressing. And nuts and cranberries to go on top. All you're going to need is an extra bowl to put your dressing in so you can mix your smoo in. We're going to be using a half scoop of smoo. Remember, this has 7 vitamins, minerals, and herbs to help with hormone balance. And then we're just going to be mixing that in. Smoo helps with all types of hormone imbalances. Our smoo babes like to use Ovary Good Smoo for symptoms associated with PCOS, endo, menopause, PMS, and more. Plus, it tastes delicious. Go ahead and put that dressing all over your salad. On top, we're just going to sprinkle some nuts and cranberries. Nuts are a super nutrient-rich food, and cranberries are a superfood, high in nutrients and antioxidants. Enjoy your lunch.